Roger, Delta 264 Heavy out of 1,900, 5,000 to turn 100.
Delta 264 Heavy, departure, good evening, radar contact, climb and maintain, 11,11,000.
11,11,000, Delta 264 Heavy.
Delta 264 Heavy, turn right direct to Betty.
Betty, Delta 264 Heavy.
Delta 264 Heavy, contact Boston Center, 1358, good day.
35A, good night, Delta 264 Heavy. Evening, Boston, Delta 264 out of 6.4 for 11,11,000.
Delta 264, Boston Center, climb maintain for level 330.
Flight level 330, Delta 264. Center Delta 264, need to level at 12,000 to troubleshoot.
Delta 264, I think you're checking on?
Affirmative, yeah, we checked in with you, we were climbing to 33, we need to level at 12,000 feet, we're going to troubleshoot something here in the cockpit.
Delta 264, maintain 12,000 and keep me advised.
We'll keep you posted, 12,000, Delta 264. Center Delta 264, we want to get some vectors to stay in the vicinity of JFK, if you can help us out with that, please.
Delta 264, roger, and if you want to do a present position, hold right where you're at, that would be fine.
All right, let's work it out, Delta 264. We're going to do right turns, present position, hold for Delta 264.
Delta 264, roger, I have no traffic in the area right now, so maintain at 12,000. If you need anything else, not just advise.
Affirmative, we'll keep you posted. We're at 270 knots, 12,000, holding right turns over Betty. Center Delta 264, at this point we're going to declare an emergency due to fumes, so we are going to remain in the hold and we'll let you know when we're ready to go back to JFK, but the plan is to go back to JFK.
Delta 264, copy, and did you say it was for fumes or fuel?
Fumes, fumes in the airplane, in the cabin.
Okay. Delta 264, when you get a chance, can you give me souls on board and fuel remaining in minutes?
We have 238 souls on board, and we have 102,000 pounds of fuel on board for Delta 264.
Thank you.
Delta 264, emergency aircraft, we'd like vectors for 4 left approach.
Okay, Delta 264, is this on the line? You said you're ready for vectors to 4 left?
Correct. We'd like the emergency equipment to guard the brakes, please.
Delta 264, roger. Flight heading 260, you can make that a left or right turn, your discretion.
Okay, 264.
And Delta 264, I was on the line also when you were calling. You said you would like field or emergency personnel and fire trucks standing by. Do you happen to know anything else?
No, it seems like the situation is clearing in the cabin, and we just want them to guard the brakes in case they get hot.
Okay.
Overweight landing.
Delta 264, roger, and to your official, you are cleared to Kennedy via radar vectors, and just fly heading 260, and I will pass on your request to the approach.
260 for 4 left approach, Delta 264.
To 264, connecting approach 135.9er.
35.9, Delta 264. Approach Delta 264, emergency aircraft, 12,000, turning right to 260, requesting ILS to 4 left.
Delta 264 Heavy, New York approach, good evening. If you could change my frequency, 1257, 257.
257. Delta 264 Heavy is up.
Delta 264 Heavy, thank you. Expecting hours 4 left approach and the center maintain 4,000.
Center maintain 4,000, ILS 4 left, Delta 264.
Delta 264 Heavy, when able, I just have a couple questions for you.
Go ahead.
The 264 Heavy, if you can, souls on board, fuel in pounds, and just advise if anybody is on oxygen.
No one's on oxygen. We have 238 souls on board. Fuel in pounds, 101,000 pounds.
That's 264, thank you. Delta 264 Heavy, speed your discretion, flighting 290 and descend at 2,000.
290, 2,000, speed our discretion, Delta 264. Delta 264, we can take an intercept now.
That's 264 Heavy, roger, right turn to 020, intercept the 4 left localizer.
020, intercept the 4 left localizer, Delta 264.
Delta 264 Heavy, 10 miles from Crystal, maintain 2,000, intercept from localizer, cleared house 4 left approach.
Third ILS 4 left approach, Delta 264.
Delta 264 Heavy, still clear for the approach, but descend to 1,500, still established.
Delta 264, 1,500.
Delta 264 Heavy, contact Kennedy Tower, 11901, have a good night.
19-1, good night, Delta 264. Tower Delta 264, heavy emergency aircraft for ILS 4 left.
Delta 264 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, equipment is standing by, wind is 11028, gust 23.
Delta 264.
And Delta 264 Heavy, you're clear to land, runway 4 left.
Land 4 left, Delta 264.
And Delta 264 Heavy, when able to advise if you're able to exit the runway or what you need.
We're going to exit on Fox up for Delta 264 Heavy.
Do you need the vehicles to come look at the aircraft?
Yes, ma'am. We're going to come to a stop and just check the brakes for us, please, for Delta 264 Heavy.
Delta 264 Heavy, no problem. Make the left turn here at Foxtrot.
Making the left at Fox at Delta 264 Heavy.
And Delta 264 Heavy, did you want to talk to the emergency equipment on a different frequency?
Yes, please.
And you could try 121.65. Coming from 121.65.
Will do, thanks.
And Rescue 2, did you copy that?
Rescue 2 copies, thank you.
Thank you.